Hey everyone, it's Andrew from the Fetch Content Creation team, here again to give you some more Revit tips and tricks. Today we'll discuss in depth the sync and update functions of the Fetch app and when you want to use one over the other. The sync and update functions are used in two different ways. The sync function pulls new data from the central Fetch server, such as product codes, family constraints like min and max dimensions, and up-to-date links to documentation. The update function will completely reload a model from the database when major changes need to be published, such as a change in model geometry, new price or weight formulas, and when a model is broken and needs fixing. Let's look at these two functions a little closer. First up is the sync function. Fetch families are packed with data relevant to the represented product and can be pulled from the Fetch server, such as product codes and linked to documentation. There are two modes that can be leveraged by changing this drop-down in the Fetch ribbon in Revit. The first and most often used is sync parameters and names. As the name suggests, this mode syncs both the parameters and parameter names with the central database. It's helpful to reset a family's parameters to the listed standard dimensions, such as min and max parameters. This is especially helpful if you've edited a family and wish to return to the original model constraints. The second mode is sync-only parameters, which will perform a usual sync procedure without resetting your parameter and type names, which is helpful if you've created custom types or other parameters for a family. As I said before, the update function reloads a family from the Fetch server to bring you the latest version of a family. We publish new versions when a family's geometry or formulas are updated. This audit is either done yearly or when we receive an issue report from a user. If you find a family isn't working as expected, feel free to submit a report at the link in the description. If you want to learn more about the Fetch app or for step-by-step instructions on how to perform a sync or update using Fetch, check out our previous video about how to use the Fetch app. Thanks for watching, and if you like this content, consider leaving us a thumbs up or a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.